I become very still inside and present in this moment. Mindful of my thoughts, I choose to relax my entire body. I unwind every muscle of this body as a silent witness of the dramas in the world. My mind quietly sweeps over the many scenes at present. Climate change, exploitation of land, and in and amongst it all, I see restless human spirits. How did we reach this state? The planet is becoming more and more barren as humanity becomes more barren inside. Human souls are dissatisfied. A depleted humanity creating depleted lands. The poverty of the human spirit within is reflected in the chaos and poverty without. Now I choose to rise beyond it all, and I ask myself honestly, who am I? And why am I here? Did I merely come to this earth to abuse and destroy the land and nature for my selfish gain? What is my purpose here in this global human family? Let me rain this inspiration into myself and into the world. With every breath I take, let me remind myself of my purpose here and now. I draw on my inner personal power. I am a powerful, creative, living being of peace and compassion. I visualize this energy of peace emanating from the center of my forehead, bringing such a calm into every cell of this body. And such a tranquility and satisfaction in my mind, in relationships, in nature. Connecting to the contented being of peace that I am, I fill the land with the coolness of peace and possibility, restoring the soil and greening the earth. Care for our planet, I choose actions that support and reforest the planet and restore the land with my simple, kind living. I choose respect and compassion for all beings and all things. My thoughts, words, and actions add to the collective energy of the planet, and they do make a difference. This is the most opportune time to rise up in my consciousness and respond. I am able. Only this time matters, and it matters like never before. The past is the past. It is time to respond to the call of time, to lift my spirits and do what I can from inside out, no matter what challenges may come my way. My sincere wish is that our beautiful planet returns to its original state of balance and harmony. I hold on to the faith that my honest intentions and actions will bear fruit. And I trust that this courage will draw support. With a strong and generous heart, I will persevere no matter what. I place one foot in front of the other, and I maintain courage and hope. I act now. I do this for myself. I do this for the world. I act now. I place one foot in front of the other, and I maintain courage and hope. I do this for myself. I do this for the world.